Good morning from Mysore. Kavin. Hi.
Hi.
Can you pass me the toothpaste? Oh my. Time to pack up. Checkout formalities done. We're now going for breakfast. We were contemplating between Nati Uta or Continental Uta, and we decided let's just go with Conti. Some eggs, some sandwiches. So we're gonna go to Sapa. We've been to Sapa before. We didn't really enjoy the desserts there, but apparently they have better food than desserts. So let's go check that out. But first stop, Coconut. We need some hydration. Now, one day paper ganji. Nishok's gone with just plain neer. Kavan's gotten paper ganji, and so have I. I want to eat malai first thing in the morning. Coconut. Did you all realize we're all wearing white and we all look clap? I'll tell you why. It's because we didn't drain our lymphatic nodes. We all need to do looks maxing like Nishok does. Only Nishok looks. What happened? You don't want to do looks maxing?
I don't need to look nothing.
Nishok, when are you going to learn how to drive?
I have a driving license, bro. I just don't drive.
Bobby's Nishok also needs to buy a car.
Yeah,
And-
suggest.
Guys, let us know in the comments what's the best EV car for Nishok in the 10 to 15 lakh range. We just reached Sapa and looks like it's closed. The fuck? We'll go and check once. Bro, that's crazy. Now we've come to the Organic Cafe in Gokulam second stage. And Gokulam in Mysore is the area where all the white people live. Like French people, Spanish people, British people. Every third person here is white. Starting with beverages, Bobbies, I've gone for a turmeric spice latte, oat milk. This one is proper haldi doodh, bro. Have you guys ever had haldi doodh?
Obviously ain't it.
This is proper haldi doodh.
Standard.
Did they even put coffee in this? Bro, food is out, but what I'm not understanding is why are they only serving in batches of 2? Coffee भी पहले सिर्फ 2 आए थे, खाना भी सिर्फ 2 प्लेट आया है. ये मेरा, ये निशोक का. ये भी मेरा, ये भी निशोक का. Kavin?
I think both of you should feed each other.
I'll feed you one bag, you feed me one bag. 6 on 10, but because he fed me, 9 on 10. Bro, there are only whites here. Only whites. What do you think is the reasoning behind this, bro? Why are so many whites living
Goa
here?
is dead.
Because Goa is dead now. Bro, you're living in some wrong Goa, bro. The one I go to is very lively. Should I do a Goa trip with Kavin and Nishok? If yes, let me know in the comments. Get this video to 2,000 likes if you want us to go to a Goa trip.
No, 2000 guys.
Why?
No.
What left?
We're not going there.
Bro, he doesn't want to go to Goa. He thinks it's shitty. I told him you haven't been to Goa with me. Bro, Kavin's omelette came out, and because his omelette came after ours, it is bigger, there's more garnish, and he also has an extra slice of bread. What partiality, bro? Huh?
We found Kevin cute.
Did you notice something?
Mine looks nicer, bro.
Yeah, they like you. They found you cute. Smoothie bowl also looks kind of nice. What was it? Gut reset, right?
Gut
Glow.
Glow. Gut glow.
Yeah.
You better be pooping glitters after this, bro. Done with Organic Cafe. Time to head out. All in all, review. Food, very, very mid. Okay?
Bro, everything put together 3 on 10, not more than that.
Everything put together 3 on 10 now.
Yeah.
I think you're going too low, bro. Come on.
Bro, I'm giving 3 only for the fucking vibes.
Bobbies, we've reached Kavin's area. Nishok is leaving now.
Bye, guys.
Bye to Nishok. But now Kavin and I will chill for a bit. Open the gates, please. I mean, I should be doing it. I'm passenger princess. Hi, Frodo. This is Kavin's second dog. Actually, Kavin's first dog.
This is the first dog. It's the OG.
This is the OG dog. Frodo, hi. I can touch him.
Yeah, I won't do anything.
Hi, Frodo. Oh, no. Frodo. Oh. Man, just hit me, bro. Kavin lives in the city, but also not in the city at the same time. Just look at this area. Huh? That's crazy, bro.
Bro, that land is full litigated because the entry has graveyard, bro. So all these local boys.
Oh, there's graveyard there. That's
The
why.
building would have come here, but
Spiky is also here. What's up, Spiky? You wanna run out again? Huh? We won't go for you this time. You stay out only. Right, so now we're going for lunch. Nothing fancy, just some light lunch. We're going to Chinita, which is near Kavin's house. Probably the only restaurant in Kavin's side of town that tastes good.
hey, Milano's.
Milano's for ice cream, come on.
You've not had their pizza?
I've not tried Milano pizza.
Good, bro. Pizza bakery level.
Okay, pizza bakery level though. Pizza bakery level is quite nice. It's like 7.5, 8 on 10.
So when I was 4 years old, I used to live here.
In this house?
We don't own this.
Okay.
I mean, I used to live on rent here.
Uh-huh.
And you see that brick thing which is all broken and all now?
Right.
My dad actually built that whole thing. It was like a separate shed for like
That.
get-togethers and all. It looks a lot better back in the day. Used to live here, but very poor Vastu.
Ah,
Vastu is real, guys. Not a bad shit happening. Have to move out.
Nanavati murder case, guys.
And that time, my current house was literally farm. There were like
That was a farm.
cows and like chicken. Everything was there.
Shinita Bobbies, let's get a burrito bowl.
Let me check Zomato.
For?
10% discount.
It's crazy how Kavan was supposed to leave 2 weeks back, and here we are having the time of our life.
Oh, grateful, bro.
Right? It's okay, he has to go eventually. He has to finish his training course to become Pilot Bobby. Here's the burrito bowl, and we're eating it while watching Oki Mohit vlogs. How many of you guys watch me while eating? Let us know in the comments.
Bro, I watch it to stay connected to my friends.
Yeah, when he's in Thailand, he watches my vlogs just to stay connected to India. Back home now, and we plan on eating some bananas for some quick carbs. We want to go to the gym after this. Bobbies, we finished our workout. We did push and arms, and quite a sexy workout. Kavin followed my new high volume split, and midway through he was dying.
Bro, too much volume, bro.
Yeah, it's a lot of volume, and he was scared he might get injured.
I didn't even do one. I just left chest press, bro.
I told you guys, no, I'm going to train like a meathead this year. But yeah, we're now going to put a screen guard on our phones. We both cracked our screen guard recently. Always use protection, Bobbies. Agree?
Agreed.
Let's say bye to Kavin now.
Bye, guys.
मम्मी अभी मेरे फ्रूट्स कट कर रही है. It's time for dinner. क्या किया मेरे बिना 2 दिन?
याद किया तुझे?
याद किया.
और क्या?
एटलीस्ट मेरे बिना काम नहीं था इतना. मेरा कुकिंग नहीं करना पड़ा थोड़ा.
उधर से रिलैक्सेशन था, बट बेटे का काम करना तो माँ के लिए प्राउड होता है. मैंने अपने लाल के लिए गाजर का हलवा बनाया.
रसमलाई भी है.
रसमलाई है.
ये सब नहीं चाहिए. मैं अपना हलवा, ओट्स और ये टेस्ट कर
ये
लूंगा.
भी है. ये रसकदम भी है.